Oh wow, this is fun. Mighty Pop. Whistle. Now I'm trying to figure this out. Y'all sure y'all might know what this is? Pretty interesting, but I'm gonna open it up and finding out right now what this is. Oh wow. They said for children and up. So I'm an adult, so I'm just gonna have to see what this is. Oh, some kind of slimy. It's pretty wet. Ooh, but it's not candy. It's nothing to eat. Oh, where'd it go? Ooh, it's pretty funny. Some kind of toy. I'm gonna upload this video. Yeah, guys have any suggestions about this toy thing here? Came across it. Wasn't so sure what this is, but I don't think it's good to use it to have it overnight. But I don't think it smells good. If it's supposed to be for kids and for an adults on the way up, I'm not sure. If any one of y'all got any suggestions, what is this? I got this at the supermarket. I took my two little dogs. My other dog is up there. I took her with me in a bag, so kind of picked this up. I wasn't so sure what that is. Ooh, that is slimy, isn't it? I don't know. This is weird. Oh, if you have any comments, please let me know in the bottom. Oh wow, it's messy. I didn't want my dogs to play with it because it'd be all messy and mushy. What's that? I don't know what this is. Do y'all every one of y'all get some kind of activity like this? Well, I didn't want my dogs to play with it. So I don't know what that could be. So I just put it back in the cup. Ah, it's pretty interesting. See? Look at that. So I don't know. I'm gonna put the top back on it. So I don't want my dogs to play with it. Then they'd really be like, oh, it's mushy, ma. It's mushy, mushy. Yeah, it's mushy. Oh, goodness. I don't know what kind of smell that is. See? Activity. So, we'll see you in the next video. Hopefully, you might not want to play with this. Ah, mushy. Well, anyhow, be kind to one another. Enjoy. It's happy 4th of July. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.